This isn't the Hyatt you remember. Come see why the Hyatt Regency Irvine's renovation is making it one of the most talked about hotels in Orange County. Walking into the lobby, you can see the modern design, open seating, workspaces, and beautiful SoCal-inspired decor. The main restaurant spaces, Warehouse 72 and the Marketplace, have been completely redesigned to be bright, airy, and open. But the real star of the show is the Regency Club Lounge, a perk for World of Hyatt globalists or guests with club access. With entry, you can enjoy a full dinner with drinks, snacks throughout the day, and even a full breakfast. This is great cost savings if you're traveling on a budget. The guest rooms have been refreshed as well, with bright interiors and upgraded bathrooms with a bit of print and texture. Outside the property is a resort-style pool, perfect for lounging, parties, and families. It's equipped with cabanas and a large-screen TV. A cool place to blast music or get caught up on your losing football team. And lastly, another great thing about this hotel is its location, minutes from the John Wayne Airport and Balboa Island, which is one of the most charming coastal spots I've visited to date. So if you're in the area looking for a resort-style luxury suitable for families, the Hyatt Regency Irvine should be on your list. Stay tuned for another birthday bash to see how and what we do to celebrate. Until then, like, comment, and subscribe.